It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Nike LeBron 4 Black Anthracite. Man, I can't believe it. I can't believe your boy hit on these LeBron 4s, man. I'm a huge fan of LeBron, and I think the older LeBrons look better than these new LeBrons that been coming out. But man, I can't believe it. And I can't believe your boy hit on those foam posits too. They came out the same day these came out on Sneakers app. But let's go ahead and get to it. Look at the box, man. The box look dope. Look at those cutouts right there on the side. Then look at the other side. Got LeBron right there. And then the top of the box. Now this is slide out box. And this kind of remind me of the Yeezys, man. But the thing about the Yeezys, the Yeezy box make that fart noise, man, when you slide that box open. Nice. I won on Adidas Confirm. So these don't. Nah. But let's go. Damn, these are
Yoga fire.
God damn.
Yoga flame.
What y'all think? And I can't believe they still have sizes available on Sneakers app. I can't believe it. Your boy went half size up on these. I'm a size 11 and a half. So looking at these shoes, man, I can't believe they didn't instantly sell out. I don't know what's going on. Maybe because it's Christmas, it's around, Christmas time, or people got what they wanted at the end of the year, and that's those Jordan 11 gratitudes. I don't know. But I know your boy wasn't taking a chance sleeping on these, okay? If you look at the upper, you have your black foam posit upper, all right? And you got the grooves starting from the top all the way to the bottom. You see those curves? You see those grooves? Man, nice design, all right? And then you have your nubuck ankle collar. You see that? Nubuck ankle collar. All that's nubuck. Then you have your Zoom Air cushion mid sole, all right? And if you look real closely, you can see right there in the hole, 1, 2, 3, you can see your sock liner. See that right up in there on both sides. All right. You have a Nike check right there on top, right there by the toe box. Then you have a Nike check on the outside of the shoe where the ankle collar is, right there on that nubuck. Then you have another Nike check on the inner side of the shoe. All right. Now you have L23 right there on the strap. Y'all didn't know it's a strap right there. See? L23. And that feel like metal. All right, now if you look at the front of the tongue, you have the lion. Now if you look on the other side, you have October 6, 2004. That's LeBron oldest son B-Day. Now, got your little pull tab right there, ankle area, and you have something going on right there at the front of the shoe. I don't know what that is, man, but you're gonna have to, y'all know what that is, y'all let me know. It's like 3 letters. Then you go to the bottom of the shoe. I don't know what this is. We're gonna have to try to figure out what that is right there. Some kind of code or initials or something. Y'all let me know. Put that in the comment section, all right? Your cuts all throughout the bottom of the shoe. See those grooves? And then you have a red circle that say L23, okay? Now, the inner side of the shoe, you have Zoom, Z-O-O-M, right there on the inner side of the shoe. And you also have something else going on right here on the strap. Let's see, what is that? I don't know what the hell that is. Y'all let me know what that is, okay? Now, if you look at the eyelets right here, that's metal. It's a metal eyelet right there. You got one on this side too. So let's go see how these shoes look on feet. Let's go. I'm glad I went a half size up, because these shoes, they fit tight and snug on feet. I probably could have got away with true to size, but I'm glad I went half size up. These shoes also look good on feet. I love how they look on feet, man. I gotta go back and get the graffitis. I can't believe they still have graffitis in stock, and boys slept on those LeBron 4 graffitis. I gotta go back and get them. And I heard the Fruity Pebbles gonna be releasing sometime next year, 2024. The Fruity Pebbles, that's a must cop in your boy collection. I got to get the LeBron 4 Fruity Pebbles, all right? So I went to StockX and I seen these shoes, man, and the resale value is low. It's real low. So if y'all didn't hit on them, if y'all don't got these shoes, it is what it is. Go to StockX, man, and it's still worth it. I just hate StockX got those extra fees, man, those high extra fees. But for these shoes, it's worth it. Then I checked the graffitis out. Like, even though the graffitis still in stock, it's cheaper to get the LeBron 4 graffitis on StockX. So I'm thinking about pulling the trigger on those, man, because eventually they're gonna sell out on Sneakers app. All right. Now, when it comes to LeBrons, I hate that I don't have a lot of LeBrons. All I have is the LeBron 16 Martins. Yeah, and I love these, man. I'm not a big fan of LeBron 16, but these right here, I had to make an exception. These right here is fire, man. I had to get these. I had to. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all my favorite LeBron shoes by number and not by colorway. Let's take it from the top. LeBron 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, and 16. Only the Martins when it comes to 16. I think LeBron 15, I think those are the last LeBrons that ever came out that look good. Anything after 15 to me is all right, but I think 15, man, I don't even have LeBron 15. Oh, man, so I gotta go back and get at least get one pair of LeBron 15s on StockX, all right? So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.